Hi friends and foodies, welcome to my channel. Let's see how we can make these awesome Hakka noodles in a very interesting way. I guarantee you will make them right away. Come on. This recipe calls for a bit extra oil than we usually use. This is ginger, garlic and green chili crush. The detailed recipe of how to make this is in the description box below. Saute on high heat for 15 seconds. Now you can add any veggies, but I like to add onions, carrot, green beans and cabbage later. We will saute these for a minute or so on high heat. They have to be crunchy but not raw. Salt is as per taste, but remember we will also be adding dark soy sauce later, so add a little first. We can always taste and adjust the flavors later. Mix all these well so that the flavors merge together. I have shredded the cabbage and we will cook it but still keep it crunchy. I am adding the cabbage last as it wilts quickly. All cooking is on high heat. I like to add coriander leaves because they give a nice herb flavor to the noodles. Here I have the boiled noodles as per package directions, drained and kept them aside. Mix the noodles well until they are heated through. We are almost done here. You can also mix with the help of tongs or 2 spoons, whatever is easier. Garnish with fresh green onions and give a good mix. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for such interesting recipes I post every week. And thanks for your support. Look at how colorful and amazing these noodles have turned out. Perfect for kids' lunch or a quick weeknight dinner. These get ready in 15 minutes. Hope you like the recipe and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.